let's say you just have a tailgate or a picnic bench. This is a great place to have your cooking stove and sink. And like I say, just close this up. You can cook whatever meals you want on there. What you'll also notice here is I've got a variable speed motor for my water, so I can set this up however I want. So let's go ahead and turn this on. We see here, first of all, there's some lights. You can, get some lights at night, and then your on and off switch is just right here. Really easy to get to. And it's kicking out a little bit here. We can really crank it like that, but no one needs it that much. But you can reduce it down to where right where you want it. At that point you can save as much water as you want or use as much as you want. Close it back up again. Your motor's underneath here. These basically that's how the line goes right there. And when you get through doing whatever you're doing, you just pop that out. The simple hookups right down here, got water, got DC power here, and in this case I'm just hooking it right up to my panel where I've got two choices of DC power, and in this case running the 2.5 gallon. I've got this right here as well. I can run this off about my 5 gallon jerry can. Just simply run it off the side, put the can right there, and it just pulls from there. You can also spin this around up here. You can close this, and you can wash the dog from here, spray it out there, or set this up top up here and use it for a shower. Here is my sink. So this comes out, and then I go in here and I grab this, and this will come out. If I pull it out all the way, it comes right to here. The toolbox will then hook up right up to here. So here's how the toolbox just hooks right up to here. Inside here, for my purposes, I've got a filter. I've got a stove, kind of a burner, and also fabricated a mount for it. And what we're first going to do is mount our DC water pump right here, and then we're going to be looking at adding a tub right there. What we have here is more of a silicone style of tubing that goes here, and this is just a little tub. Comes in a set of 4 on Amazon for I think like $15. And then this connects to my pump over here. I've had to cut away a few things. You can see over here to get this to fit right, but it fits nice. And if there is any kind of leaking around the outside, well, I also have a little rubber plug that you can pop out as well over here and on the other side. I have 2 screws on the bottom here that support this. These are just a nut with a bolt in there and some rubber hose that I cut just to make this just a little bit easier to grab onto. As you can tell, you can also use a gas stove and even put a propane tank in here as well. This electric is 9x9. This is also a very basic setup, just bolting the water pump right up to this. Just kind of a simple, drill some holes, And these two holes to mount are the two holes right here and down here. And it's going to go right in here. Now when you mount this, what you might have to do to put these screws in is cut back a little bit on some of these fins that go across here, and especially the one that goes down here, and just trim it up a little bit. I just use a little Dremel tool. Just give it an idea of where these holes are. The nice part about this is that there's not much fabrication that needs to be done.